Breaking news! Toyota just dropped the most aggressive Land Cruiser yet. The 2026 Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport. This isn't just an SUV, it's an off-road beast built for adventure. Want to see what makes it so special? Stick around, because this might just be the ultimate overlanding machine. For decades, the Toyota Land Cruiser has been the gold standard for toughness and reliability. But now, Toyota is taking things to the next level with the 2026 Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport, a machine designed for thrill seekers who demand power, precision, and prestige on and off the road. A brutally bold design. The moment you see it, the GR Sport commands attention. The massive blacked-out grille screams dominance, flanked by slim, aggressive LED headlights that cut through the darkest trails. The muscular hood and flared fenders give it a commanding presence, while the reinforced bumper improves approach angles for serious off-road capability. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Next-level performance and tech. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport packs a high-performance engine. Details TBA, designed to conquer any terrain. Paired with advanced four-wheel drive systems, terrain response tech, and suspension tuned for adventure, this SUV laughs in the face of mud, rocks, and sand. Inside, you get a luxury-grade cabin loaded with the latest infotainment, driver assists, and premium materials, because comfort shouldn't end when the pavement does. Final verdict: the ultimate adventure machine. If you live for off-roading, overlanding, or just want the toughest SUV on the market, the 2026 Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport might be your perfect match. With its bold styling, unstoppable performance, and rugged luxury, this Toyota is ready for anything. Liked the video? Drop a comment below. What's your dream off-road SUV? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review.